The importance of strengths and weaknesses analysis. You have seen that the strengths and weaknesses analysis is a tool you can apply to your career development, as it helps you assess what you are good at and the areas you need to work on. Strengths and weaknesses are used to assess yourself. These include your skills, knowledge, experience and your motivation. But you can also identify opportunities and threats, and use them to evaluate the environment around you, including issues arising in the working environment and industries that you envisage for your career. Why focus on your strengths? Because strengths are the underlying qualities that energize you and that you are great at, or have the potential to become great at. They enable you to perform at your best. By getting the right balance between optimizing your strengths and reducing performance risks, you will achieve higher levels of resilience, confidence, engagement, success. By knowing your strengths, you'll know how to optimize them to achieve exceptional results, maximize performance and increase potential. Positive ways of valorizing your strengths will improve your confidence, motivation and success in career development. You assessed your strengths and weaknesses. What's next? You need to determine how you can use your strengths to boost your career, overcome your weaknesses and convert threats into opportunities. Strength-based steps that boost and manage your career. Once you have identified what your strengths are, take these steps to boost and manage your career. Determine your career motivations and build your career vision board. Develop your career intent. Create an action plan. Build confidence by updating your CV. Document your continuous professional development. Determine your career motivations and build your career vision board. It's extremely important to understand your motivations and how they align to your career. Starting from a blank canvas, consider what's important to you in your next career opportunity. Answer the question, what is my vision for my career, and build your career vision board. As a visual representation, a collection of photographs, trinkets and sketches of what you want to achieve for your career and life, illustrating your career hopes, dreams and aspirations in a way that inspires you to strive for them. Develop your career intent. Be clear about what you want to achieve in your career. Evaluate potential jobs, and consider if they fit to your motivations and career vision board. Your career intent is your long-term career goals. According to your strengths and weaknesses analysis, write down what you want to achieve in your career in 3, 5 and 10 years' time. Your career intent will give you a direction that you want to go on your career path. Your long-term intent can help you set realistic short-term objectives. Answer the question, am I able to achieve my career short-term objectives and long-term goals to make your career decisions? Create an action plan. Make an action plan of how you can achieve your career goals and objectives that contains the following: SMART objectives: specific, measurable, achievable, realistic and time-framed, actions and resources you need to conduct and apply to achieve your objectives. Review. This helps you to adjust your objectives and further development. Build confidence by updating your CV. A CV is not just for applying for a new job. Building a CV is an ongoing process. By updating it, you can build your confidence and understand how you can achieve your career goals. CV sections, such as personal profile, skills and experience, need regular updating. You gradually develop your skills and enrich your experience in your career path. You don't always notice this, but you will realize it while you are updating your CV. Document your continuous professional development. Record, reflect and review your professional development. Continuous professional development, CPD, is an investment that you make in yourself. Documenting your CPD process systematically will help to plan, record and review your learning processes, boost your confidence, accelerate your development and advance your career. Make an introspection. Make an introspection and check if you have the following strengths: courage, if you are able to take on challenges and face risks by standing up for what you believe; decisiveness, if you make quick, confident and clear decisions, even when faced with limited information; flexibility, if you remain adaptable and flexible in the face of unfamiliar or changing situations. Remember, your strengths are your areas of opportunity for growth and career development. Stop trying to fix your weaknesses and focus on your strengths. You will grow the most, learn the most and develop the most in your areas of strength. Your career develops on your strengths.